Okay, what else can we show you? I will show you the effects. We have some video effects that you can use in your videos. Again, don't use the pro versions. You have this. You will see it on the main video, of course, because we have the main video that we're playing with. We're going to put some effects on the main video. Right here in the end, you will see the filters. Filters are also very useful. You can put it in black or white. You can put it in sheer. You can see how the video up here is changing. And then you can also reduce or increase this specific filters. You can also do adjust option, which is fantastic. It's like, this is where you can adjust things on the video. Let's say brightness, you can increase the brightness, you can increase the contrast, you can increase, you can even sharpen it a little bit. So again, play with it and you will see what happens. Now the good thing is that you have an option to apply to all down here. So if all your clips were filmed with a smartphone at around the same time, they all probably have the same issue. So when you're going to adjust these video clips that you're using, you can also first adjust one clip and then say apply to all. So all the clips that you're using are going to have the same equalization, the same adjustments.